Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're taking a look at the Samsung WV60A9900VPR black stainless front-load washer-dryer pair. This machine is an absolute game-changer when it comes to laundry day. With its sleek and modern design, this washer-dryer pair not only looks great in any laundry room, but it also has some amazing features to make your laundry experience a breeze. First off, let's talk about the size. This pair has a large capacity, allowing you to wash and dry more clothes in less time. The washer's super speed feature can wash a full load in just 30 minutes, perfect for those busy days when you need clean clothes fast. And the dryer's steam sanitize feature eliminates 99.9% of bacteria and germs, keeping your clothes and linens fresh and clean. The washer-dryer pair is also equipped with Smart Care technology, allowing you to troubleshoot any issues right from your smartphone. How convenient is that? And let's not forget about the black stainless finish, which not only looks stylish, but is also resistant to fingerprints and smudges, keeping your laundry room looking clean and polished. So, if you're in the market for a new washer and dryer, look no further than the Samsung WV60A9900VPR black stainless front-load washer-dryer pair. Trust me, this is an investment you won't regret. And if you're ready to make the purchase, be sure to check out the link in the description below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and happy laundry day.